Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have you ever been in a situation where students actually understand mathematical concepts but are unable to explain them, either verbally or in writing? Why does this happen? And what impact does it have on the learning process? Today, we will look at the answer through a topic that is often considered simple but is actually very fundamental. That is the role of mathematical communication in learning. Before continuing, allow us to introduce ourselves from Group 5. I'm Aulitu Zahra with student ID number 222-522-0053, along with my colleague.
Hello, I'm Lailatul Mala with student ID number 2225220021.
And
Hello, I'm Satyana Kamatanur with student ID number 2225220026.
as the first presenter, I will discuss the importance of mathematical communication and what mathematical communication is. In 21st century mathematics education, communication is no longer viewed as an additional skill, but as the core of the learning process. According to the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics (NCTM) 2000, one of the goals of mathematics education is the ability to communicate mathematically. Mathematics is often associated with calculations, numbers, and formulas, which has led to the misconception the communication skills cannot be developed through mathematics education. However, communication skills are very important because they can help organize thought and connect ideas, helping students complete and refine their understanding of mathematical concepts. According to Anggreni et al. 2023, mathematical communication skills play an important role in helping students not only in developing concepts but also in developing connections between ideas and abstract language with mathematical symbols. And the next slide, what is mathematical communication? According to Anggraini et al. 2023, mathematical communication skills are the ability of students to present problems or ideas in mathematics using real objects, pictures, graphs, or tables, and to use mathematical symbols. Mathematical communication skills consist of verbal and written communication. Verbal mathematical communication skills are the ability of a person to convey information and mathematical ideas through discussion, and presentation in a clear and systematic manner. Mathematical communication skills are the ability of a person to express mathematical ideas through pictures or graphs, tables, and equations in writing using the student's own language.
What is the role of mathematical communication in learning? Mathematical communication supports conceptual understanding, helps students explain and organize mathematical thinking, encourages active participation through questioning and discussion, enhances problem solving and critical thinking skills, supported by collaborative activities, group work, discussion, presentation. Teachers play a key role as facilitator and feedback provider. Mathematical communication helps students understand mathematical concepts more deeply by encouraging them to explain their thinking. When students communicate their ideas, they organize their reasoning and identify mistakes more easily. Listening, discussion, and collaborative activities make students more active in learning mathematics. These activities support problem solving and critical thinking skills. Teachers play an important role by facilitating discussion, encouraging participation, and providing feedback. As a result, students who actively communicate mathematically show higher confidence and better learning outcomes. Mathematical communication through questioning. We can look over here. The figure compares the number of students who ask questions before class, during class, after class, ask questions when confused, and raise their hands to ask questions. The data show that questioning during class is the most frequent form of mathematical communication in both types of schools. However, students in private schools demonstrate higher participation in questioning activities compared to students in public schools, particularly during and after class. In contrast, the number of students who ask questions when they feel confused is relatively low in both schools. This indicates that although students participate in classrooms questioning, many are still hesitant to express their difficulties openly. Overall, Figure 1 statistically confirms that mathematical communication through questioning is more actively practiced in private schools than in public schools, while also highlighting the need to encourage more inclusive and supportive questioning practice in mathematics classroom.
Challenge in developing mathematical communication is difficulty explaining. This means finding it difficult to explain mathematical concept in my own words or clearly and systematically outline the step of problem solving strategies. Lack of speaking opportunities. This means feeling that there are really enough opportunities or adequate time in class to genuinely discuss or actively practice mathematical communication, and less feeling reluctant to speak. This is when I tend to be unwilling to talk about math outside the context of solving problems, leading to limited communication. Next, strategies for developing mathematical communication is practicing with structured assignment. I must keep practicing by utilizing assignment, discussion, and assessment designed to push me to express idea orally and in writing. Focus on Focus on the fundamentals. This means I need to ensure my foundational understanding of mathematics is strong in order to communicate more complex concepts. Using visual aids, I must try to use picture, graphs, or concrete models is if available to model a real world situation so that ideas are easier for others to understand, and less seeking guides. This means I need to be brief and focusing my ideas and asking the teacher to listen and quiet me so that why mathematical communication can improve. Is mathematical communication is a crucial aspect of the mathematics learning process. The ability to convey and understand concepts both verbally and in writing can enhance comprehension, strength, and connection between ideas and enrich the learning experience at the challenge exits, such as difficulty explaining concepts and lack speaking opportunities. Various strategies like structured practice, the use of visual media, and strengthening foundation knowledge can help improve mathematical communication skill. Therefore, effective communication is essential for mastering mathematical concepts and supporting an active and collaborative learning process.